Find the statue. It is the first step in finding your friend. You will find something you need on top. You should check the wooden door in the courtyard, but if it is locked, we will have to find another way in.
She said there might be another way in, perhaps a hidden doorway somewhere. I remember hearing about some secret doors hidden in the walls of these old prisons. I wonder what the